Good afternoon. 21 Jeep Grand Cherokee body shop removed the rear bumper and did some body work. They replaced the rear bumper skin, put everything back together. It's a light hit in the back. Now they have codes for blind spot modules. I forget the exact code. It was not communicating, so I thought maybe they left it unplugged. I pull up a diagram. I go into, this is all data. This is a diagram for a 21 Jeep Grand. Now I put it in by VIN, just so we're clear. I didn't go year, make, model. I put it in by VIN. This is the diagram that pulls up. Power distribution, fuse 95, 10 amp, comes down, splits and feeds both blind spots, right and left. I go into the power distribution under the hood, and there is no fuse in 95. There's not. You can't even put one in there. There's no terminals in there. Something doesn't make sense. I decide to go into this actual service library. Yeah, I know. I have a yearly subscription. I was just being lazy. And I pull up a completely different diagram. I should probably back up one here. This is the diagram that comes right off Stellantis. This is a fuse 20 in the rear distribution box that goes to a central ADAS decision module that then goes down to both blind spots. It's a WL. All data identifies it as a WK, I think it is. WJ. I'm sorry, WJ, when it's actually a WL. So that's a screw up on All Data's part. They're just pulling the wrong diagram. So once I got the right diagram, I went to the back, and here comes interesting part number two. Go back here. There's two connectors for this bumper skin. One on the left side, one on the right side that hooks up to, you can see it down there. There's a connector over there, and there's one on the other side. Interesting footnote. You can flip this harness around and they will plug in the other way. When the shop did the bumper skin and they put the harness back on, they flipped the harness upside down. All the clips go in their same spot. Everything mounts up perfect. There's nothing to identify left to right. So just be careful. That's one. The Old Data thing is two. That's it. We're putting the skin back on and we're getting out of here. Have a good one.